Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Zangadio, and today I got another video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about a really simple extension that is in VS Code that's going to help you out a lot. Alright, so as you all guys know that a lot of WordPress developers are migrating into the block editor. So if you want to start developing in that area, you can really easily. So one of the things that annoyed me a lot is these syntax for the block highlighting. So to fix that, and because why is it appearing like this? Visual Studio Code or VS Code thinks that basically this is like an HTML comment. So all you really need to do is just search WordPress syntax highlighter by Matthias Hunt. It's called WordPress syntax highlighter, full site editing, and Gutenberg semantic highlighting. So I just uninstalled it so I can show you guys how it looks before installing it. And right now I'm just in the 2025 theme basic, and right now as you can see the extension. It can show you the syntax highlighting for the code, and you can start developing without the code looking like it's just a bunch of comments. Right, so this was Anguria. Hope this video helped you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment, like, subscribe, and peace.